Quitting smoking can be challenging at the best of times, but imagine trying to cut out cigarettes while at the same time dealing with a devastating diagnosis. Cancercare Manitoba offers lung cancer patients help with budding out, but as CTV's Renee Rogers shows you in this edition of Hope and Healing, it's far better to quit before you get sick.
The warnings come right on the package. Smoking comes with risks. It's something this oncologist with Cancercare Manitoba knows all too well.
Smoking is still the #1 cause of lung cancer and probably explains about 80% of cases of lung cancer.
Dr. David Daw says 800 to 900 Manitobans are diagnosed with lung cancer every year. And if you smoke, quitting can go a long way in helping make sure you're not one of them. Daw says the best time to do it is before you're diagnosed.
Definitely people have told me, and by that I mean people who are smokers have told me that it can be harder to quit during treatment because there's lots of stressors and there's lots of changes to their regular life.
But even after a cancer diagnosis, Daw says it's still beneficial to bud out.
People who are able to quit smoking actually do better than people who have not been able to quit smoking. And by that I mean they generally have fewer side effects from the treatment and have a longer life.
That's why the smoking cessation clinic at Cancercare Manitoba was developed.
So what we do is we just help motivate patients to quit smoking. And we know it's difficult. We know it's one of the hardest things that they'll have to do.
Nurse Mary Rose Operania says lung cancer patients are offered stop smoking aids such as drugs, patches, lozenges, gum, and nicotine inhalers free of charge.
They get counseling with it, and studies show that with counseling, quitting smoking is a lot more effective.
The program is also available to family members.
What happens is if someone's trying to quit and let's say their spouse is also smoking, it makes it very difficult for them as well. So this program is available to them free of charge as well.
November is Lung Cancer Awareness Month, and Cancercare Manitoba is hoping that by spreading awareness about the dangers of smoking, fewer people will experience the devastating disease. For Hope and Healing, I'm Renee Rogers.
Hope and Healing is brought to you by Cancercare Manitoba Foundation.